Hey y'all, it's Shelly, and I was lucky enough to be asked by this company, Vevor, Vevor, to get this steam mop for free in exchange for my honest and unbiased review. So we quickly put it together, which was so simple to put together. We did not even need the instructions that it came with. It popped all together. Very easy. It has the adjustable handle, which is nice, that slid right in. So I can use it as a shorter person. My husband can use it as a taller person. Even my 10-year-old son doesn't mind using it to clean up the messes in the floor. Put together, like I said, it came with different attachments, so you can actually clean different types of things, including your grill. But the pad just simply velcros to the bottom of the mop. You turn the power button on and it tells you different settings based on what kind of heat you want or steam. And so when it gets warmed up and it's ready, you just push the steam button for whichever level of heat you would like. And then you're ready to start cleaning. So I immediately wanted to try it on our linoleum floor, which was what you see here. It actually took stains off that I've actually scrubbed with my hands before with wipes and couldn't get them off. The bottom does swivel and turn to get into the corners very easily. It's slim, so it goes underneath my cabinets like on our hardwood floors here. And then we even cleaned our area rugs that we had around the house as well. So very, very easy to use. You just take off the pad when you're done with it. You throw it in the wash machine. You wash it just with anything else. The cord stores up nicely. You put it up in this little storage thing that we use, and it popped right in nicely, so it's out of the way. So definitely a thumbs up. Wonderful product. You're missing out if you're not trying it.